Welcome. Today we're exploring one of biology's most fundamental processes, cell division. It's how you grew from a single cell, how your body heals, and how life continues. For students, especially those prepping for NEET, understanding mitosis and meiosis is essential. Your body is made of trillions of cells, all originating from one, thanks to precise division. Mitosis is the body's copy machine for growth and repair. Meiosis is the artist, creating diversity for reproduction. Grasping these processes isn't just for exams, it's about appreciating how life works. We'll break down the steps, use simple analogies, and make sure you remember the key differences. By the end, you'll know why cell division is one of biology's most important stories. Let's dive in. Before dividing, a cell goes through the cell cycle, a series of stages preparing it for division. Most of its life is spent in interphase, which includes 3 phases: G1, growth, S, DNA replication, and G2, final prep. In G1, the cell grows and builds proteins. In S, it duplicates its DNA. In G2, it readies for division. After interphase, the cell enters the M phase, mitosis or meiosis, where the nucleus divides. Cytokinesis follows, splitting the cytoplasm and creating 2 new cells. The cell cycle is tightly regulated, with checkpoints to prevent errors. Mistakes can lead to disease, so accuracy is vital. Understanding the cell cycle sets the stage for mastering mitosis and meiosis. Remember, growth, DNA replication, division, repeat. This cycle is the foundation of life. Let's see how cells actually divide. Mitosis is how your body makes identical cells for growth and repair. One cell divides to form 2 genetically identical diploid cells, each with 46 chromosomes in humans. Mitosis has 4 main stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Remember PMAT. In prophase, DNA condenses into chromosomes and spindle fibers form. Metaphase, chromosomes align in the cell's center. Anaphase, spindle fibers pull sister chromatids apart to opposite sides. Telophase, new nuclear membranes form, chromosomes uncoil. Cytokinesis splits the cell, resulting in 2 identical cells. Mitosis ensures every new cell has the same genetic instructions. It's essential for healing, growth, and maintenance. Think of it as nature's perfect photocopier. That's mitosis in a nutshell. Meiosis is the process that creates gametes, sperm and eggs, for sexual reproduction. It starts with 1 diploid cell and ends with 4 haploid cells, each with half the chromosomes. Meiosis has 2 rounds, meiosis 1 and 2. In prophase 1, homologous chromosomes pair up and exchange DNA, crossing over, creating genetic diversity. Metaphase 1 pairs line up in the middle. Anaphase Y pairs are pulled apart, reducing chromosome number. After telophase Y and cytokinesis, 2 haploid cells form. Meiosis 2 resembles mitosis. Chromosomes line up, sister chromatids separate, and 4 unique haploid cells result. Each gamete is genetically distinct, thanks to crossing over and random assortment. This explains why siblings are different. Meiosis is the engine of genetic diversity. It's crucial for evolution and variation. That's the magic of meiosis. Let's compare mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis creates 2 identical diploid cells for growth and repair. Meiosis produces 4 unique haploid gametes for reproduction. Mitosis involves 1 division, meiosis has 2. Mitosis maintains chromosome number, meiosis halves it. Mitosis equals sign clones, meiosis equals sign diversity. Crossing over and independent assortment in meiosis create genetic variation. Remember, mitosis makes 2 identical cells, meiosis makes unique individuals. Meiosis 1 is where the big differences happen. Homologous pairs separate and crossing over occurs. Meiosis 2 is like mitosis, but with haploid cells. Understanding these differences is key for exams and for appreciating how life diversifies. Mitosis builds you. Meiosis builds the next generation. Keep these contrasts clear in your mind. For NEET, focus on the details of each stage. Know that in mitosis, individual chromosomes line up. In meiosis, 1, homologous pairs do. Track chromosome number, N, and DNA content, C, through the cycle. Practice with diagrams. Identify stages by chromosome arrangement and cell type. Remember, mitosis is for somatic cells and growth. Meiosis is for gametes and genetic variation. Crossing over happens between non-sister chromatids in prophase 1. Memorize the substages of prophase 1, especially pakaitin, where crossing over occurs. Practice MCQs and diagram questions to build speed and confidence. Look for clues. Are there 2 or 4 cells? Are chromosomes paired or separated? Consistent practice is your best strategy. Time for a quick quiz. Test your cell division knowledge. 1. Which process creates two identical diploid cells? Mitosis. 2. In which phase of meiosis does crossing over occur? Prophase 1. 3. A cell with 20 chromosomes undergoes mitosis. How many chromosomes in each daughter cell? 20. 4. Which process creates gametes? Meiosis. 5. During which phase do sister chromatids separate in mitosis? Anaphase. How did you do? If you got them all, you're a cell division guru. If not, review the differences and keep practicing. Understanding these basics will help you ace your exams and appreciate the wonders of biology. Stay curious and keep learning. The microscopic world inside you is amazing. Thanks for joining this journey. Until next time, keep exploring.